I can stick my hand between between the lens and my nose, and that's how far away it is. But you can't tell, right? Because it's so wide.
It's weird that you have it so close to your face and I'm standing at your shoulder and you can still see me.
We're walking on the beach at sunset, slightly after sunset, and the tide went way out.
So far out.
And I still have the camera that close to my face.
It's totally far out, man.
So close. There, that's better. That's more normal.
Yeah, that's more of a normal. But what is normal?
We're not normal.
No, we are not.
The beach being this wide open isn't, well, I guess it's normal this time of year. We're just never here.
Perhaps. Look at the ripples. Little tiny ones.
Stop pointing at people's ripples. They don't have them covered up.
Yeah, hey, if they're gonna flaunt the ripples, I'm gonna point at them.
There's lots of exposed ripples out on the beach. It's nice out. Here, I'm gonna extend this. Like so. Now you can see everywhere around us.
It's like you're taking a walk with us.
Except you're like 8 feet tall. Here, I'll put it back at head height. Uh-oh. 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 Also, uh-oh. So now what?
Now, we go back to the house. We make cheesy beans.
And chips.
And chips.
And salsa.
And salsa.
And
cabbage salad with chicken on it. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Very few people.
Bird.
This is one of my favorite views.
Yeah.
It's this wide open beach.
Hold that. And I'm gonna take a picture.
And
somebody on a one wheel.
The little town of Cayucos. All twinkly. That picture looks familiar.
Like what?
It's like that other really great one that you took.
Oh. Which one was that?
You know, the great one? The great picture?
Oh, that one.
You know, of the thing?
Of the thing?
stuff?
Oh, okay.
Remember that one?
Yeah.
Right?
How about instead of getting a one wheel, we just steal this guy's?
He wasn't very big. I could push him over.
If you push him over, I can jump on it right off.
I think maybe I run faster than you, though. If you push him, I'll run.
Well, I'll just jump on it.
Oh, yeah.
And you can run after me.
Oh, well, that just... How about I get on your shoulders?
Okay. And then we'll break it and fall into the ocean.
Oh, I don't like that.
That looks fun.
River. Look at him go. But why he has a net like that, I don't know.
Stole it from somebody.
Oh man, yeah, I'm hungry.
Well, then we should go back. Look at all the rocks silhouetted against the sunset of time. I feel like the light's fading, but you can still see us.
It looks great.
There's a rock over there. There's rocks up ahead.
If there are, we'll all be dead.
There's somebody on the pier taking pictures with a flash because they know nothing about photography and light.
Where?
I just saw a flash go off like midway down the pier.
Maybe it was a muzzle flash.
No, it was white like an LED.
Whoa, I opened up my eyes really wide and this air is really cold.
Did it freeze your eyes out?
Yeah.
Freeze your eyeballs?
My little old eyeballs.
Freeze your eyeballs.
Close your little eyeballs. Close them down. Ooh. Oh.
Oh.
Somebody's frying up some dinner.